Hi there, Jennifer Balanay here. I'm in my kitchen and I'm here to talk about pumpkin pie. So, pumpkin pie is traditionally at Halloween and Thanksgiving, sometimes Christmas if you want to extend it. But why can't you make pumpkin pie in spring or for Easter or for just springtime? My son asked me the other day, Mom, I want to make pumpkin pie. And I'm like, why can't we make pumpkin pie? So we did a recipe that's super healthy in our home. Many of you know that we are plant-based. I'm gluten-free, but this particular recipe is pretty healthy, but tastes better than any pumpkin pie you've ever had. So it's spring, but why not have pumpkin pie? So enjoy. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It was really fun to make and super duper easy. So happy spring. So we are here to share with you one of our favorite
treats, pumpkin pie.
Yay! I love pumpkin pie. So we are in our home. We are plant-based and gluten-free, right? So vegan.
Well, because they are.
And we have an amazing pumpkin pie. And if you like it, maybe you can also make it this holiday or even just because it's pumpkin season. So we'll kind of guide you through what we're doing. Go ahead, let's go ahead and start and we put everything in our blender. It is the easiest pumpkin pie you could possibly make and it tastes so good. So we're gonna add pumpkin and then we're going to add, good job, thank you for helping me so much. Okay, you get then we're gonna add coconut milk. I've already pre-measured everything out to make it a little easier. Then we're gonna add, go ahead, then we've got, no, that's syrup. Yep. And then we're going to add, you're tasting the nice maple syrup. And then we're going to add brown sugar, just a little bit, not too bad. Oops, that's cornstarch. And then we're going to add seasonings. Go ahead. We've got pumpkin spice. Can't ever get enough of that. Go ahead, you can add it all. Cinnamon. Never too much cinnamon in my opinion. And salt. Salt brings all the different flavors out when you're cooking and baking.
Salty.
I got stuff there. There you go. And a tablespoon of vanilla. Maybe a little extra.
Never have too much vanilla.
Never too much vanilla. That's my philosophy. All right. And now we're gonna blend it all in the blender and we'll be back to finish it up. Okay. So we took all of those ingredients and we mixed them up into our blender. We're going to pour. Oh, doesn't that smell good? Ah, smell, no, don't stick your finger in it.
No, use the spoon.
Hold on. Let's put this. So I already had a pie shell ready. So we are pouring out our pumpkin pie. And you have it all. And you have it all over your face right now. All right. So how does that taste? Delicious, doesn't it? Okay, and now we are going to put it in the oven. Okay, our pie is out of the oven. Can you smell pumpkin pie? Yes. It smells so good. I hope that you get an opportunity to make pumpkin pie as easy as this and then let us know how you liked it. Happy pumpkin!
Bye.
Thanks for watching that video. If you liked that content and want more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below and make it a great spring. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need me, just reach out to me and I'm happy to help. Bye.